The project name is IoT based street light controlling system. This is Arduino Uno. We are using of Arduino Nano will be using here, Arduino Nano, and LCD module will be using, and PCB using here, Arduino PCB. Okay. Next one, this is a Wi-Fi model ESP8266. This is a Wi-Fi model ESP8266. Okay, the input is here. The LDR will be using here, light dependent resistance. The LDR is operating as analog mode, so they need to converting of A to D conversion. LM358P will be using analog to digital converter. Comparator, actually this is a comparator working, but we are using a to D converter, using analog to digital converter. The digital input will be given to Arduino controller. Okay. Next one, the output side we used a relay modules. This is a relay 1 and relay 2 modules we are using. Relay 1 is connected to one light, street light. Relay 2 is connecting second street light. I am connected here. Street light 1, street light 2 will be given. Okay. Next one, this is the main power supply, and power supply will be given from here. Main power supply. There's a two power supply will be using. One power supply for the Arduino and second power supply for the relay module. This is the second power supply for the relay module. This is the first power supply for the Arduino Uno module. Okay, when given as a power supply on condition, here the LCD displays the automatic street light control system. The LCD will be print. Next, waiting for the Wi-Fi connection first, and waiting for the Wi-Fi. So in the mobile, we open the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi name is ORG6547. First connected ORG6547. Next, minimizing. Then telnet application will be open. Telnet application. Okay, this is a telnet application. Here enter the mobile applications. I'm already told in the classroom. So enter the IP address 192.168.4.1. Sorry, 168 and the connected server. Yeah, connected. The LCD displays when after the connected, light indication will be displayed as the street light get on off conditions. So normally relay get on off condition with respect of time. LDR is dark, that indicates LDR is dark or light conditions. I am closed here, LDR will be closed, then light will get on conditions. So here the relays are on conditions will be there. For example, LDR is a light conditions. LDR is a light condition, the relays are get off condition here. When dark time, here light indication will be there. When the dark time, for example, I am in the dark, they automatically the relays or light will be on conditions. Whatever they connect the relays. 1 second, one switch off the street lights. So here light will also be automatically glow condition when light is dark condition. For example, here dark condition there. So automatic street light get off conditions. Automatically street light get on off conditions with respect of time. Every 20 seconds time will be required to upload the data into the cloud. Here cloud nothing but this is a telnet application is act as a cloud. The data will be get output side, the LDR dark or light indications. Here data dark, we write the condition for the dark indications. So when the dark indication, street light get on condition information. It get as in mobile. This operation. When closed, automatically street light get on condition. Okay, the relay is also automatic on condition. Relay 1, relay 2 will be using. And here Arduino. In the Arduino, I'm already told in the code section, 2, 3, 4, 5 pins is connected to LCD, and 0 and first connected across the Arduino ESP8266. Next, LDR is connected to 8th pin, and relay 1 relay is connected to 9th and 10th pin is connected. This is a power supply.